Today I'll show you how to perform the Spiderman stretch. Traditionally, this exercise is used as more of a hip mobility exercise, but one of the reasons that we love it is with a few easy changes, you can easily turn this into a full body stretch, full body mobility exercise that's great to use before a workout as part of your warm-up or just throughout the day to get some movement into your body. So let's go ahead and start with the traditional exercise, and then I'll show you how to make it easier and more advanced to fit where you're at today. To perform the traditional Spiderman stretch, you start in a high plank. So my shoulders directly over my hands, my feet straight out on my toes. All I'm going to do is take my left foot and place it on the outside of my left hand. And then from there, I'm going to press that left knee out. And so one of the reasons this is such a great hip mobility exercise is you've got this front leg in full flexion and external rotation, and the back leg is in full extension. So you, depending on where you're tight, you might feel it more in this right hip or the pull in the front side of that back leg if you have a tight psoas. And so from there, I just tell people to really sink into what you're feeling. So if you're tight in this front hip, sometimes I'll have them do just small circles around that hip joint, mobilizing the hip joint in that hip capsule, or try to really straighten out that back leg and focus on the extension and stretch of that psoas. And that is how you perform the traditional Spiderman stretch. Now, for some people, that might be a little bit too difficult. So let's start with an easier variation where we're starting from a quadruped position. So instead of that high plank position, I'm just placing my knees right under my hips. And then from there, we just get into that Spiderman position where I'm going to put my left leg the outside of my left hand. And again, for a lot of people, this might just be a little bit easier to get into that, but we're focusing on the same thing, pressing that knee out. We lose that extension in the back leg, but for the Spiderman stretch, we're really focusing most of the time on that front leg. And of course, you're doing both sides. So that's just another variation you can try if that full Spiderman stretch was a little bit too tough to get into. So now let me show you how to turn this Spiderman stretch into a full body mobility exercise. So let's go back to our traditional Spiderman stretch. Again, working on the hips. But if I have my left foot on the outside of my left hand, what I can do now is take that left hand and twist my upper body. And so I'm taking my top hand and I'm reaching towards the wall behind me to get that rotation in my spine, specifically my thoracic spine, which is another area that people get tight. And from there, if you want, you can take your elbow and try to reach your other arm. And so again, what we're trying to do here is just get that rotation in the opposite direction. And you just work up and work back to get that full body stretch. So I know a lot of the time on this channel, I focus on the importance of building strength to prevent joint pain as we get older, but mobility is just as important too. And the Spiderman stretch is a great exercise to help mobilize a lot of the common areas that lead to joint pain as we get older. So be sure to try this exercise. And if you do have any questions, please leave them down below. I am happy to help.